Now, first what I'm going to do, I go to my D drive and not D drive, let's go to E drive under a men's tag, under HTML CSS, right click, new project. I say HTML project is my project folder, right? So this is the project folder. Here I'm going to build everything. I'm copying this location. Go to my studio. Visual Studio Code. You are able to see my screen, right? Right click. Close all editor. Now I'm going to bring the folder what I created. I'm copying here. Just select the folder. Now the folder is empty. Here I'm going to create my HTML project. So what is the first step I need to create? Tell me. What I need to do? Unmute yourself, talk, frame soon. Everybody, you have to talk, okay? So what I need to do here? First, I go to HTML. I create index.html. Always the home page of any sites will have a index.html, right? Here, I'm going to use my HTML. Here, I'm going to use head tag. Under head tag, I'm going to use here. I can say IT ASK Technologies. This is what I'm planning to build. Okay. This is my header. And then I'm going to use body. Clear? So now copy this path, go to my browser, Edge browser. No, I don't want Edge. I don't like Edge. I will go with Chrome. Chrome. Use this. Now you see the header is coming. ITAS Technologies. Fine. Now what I'm going to do, my next step. Why only 3 people? Why can't others? Okay, fine. Now what is our first step? To build this thing, I'm going to create a folder saying that CSS. Under this folder, I'm going to create style.css. Right here in the style.css, I'm going to, whatever the tag you use inside, by default, margin is 0 pixel and padding is 0 pixel. According to the requirement, I can create margin. I can create my own padding. So what I need to implement that? Just come here, drag and drop. Just hold a shift, place. Then you have to use a tag called href css style.css. Now what you need to do here?
Style sheet
Rel equal to style sheet. You have to tell, okay, everything you have to tell. I'm not going to do anything today. I want you to learn, okay?
Yes.
Now I did it. First, hold on a second. Okay, fine. Now I created a CSS. Now what is the next step I have to do? I'm going to use a dot. Listen carefully. I'm going to use a dot. Under the dot, I'm going to say margin 0 pixel, and padding 0 pixel. Why I'm giving this now? If I give a particular tag, for example, if I'm giving a div tag, what will happen? This will apply for only the div tag. If I give a body tag, it will apply only for the body tag. If I give dot, within this HTML content, whatever you are applying here, everything will be treated as 0 pixel margin, 0 pixel padding. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
By default, whatever the tag you are writing, it automatically become a 0 pixel. Okay, that is the idea behind it. Now go enable autosave. Autosave is there, right? Why it is not saving? Okay, cool. Now come here, you got the stuff. Now first thing what you need to do. What is your first thing, Stravani? What you need to write here? First in your page, what you look for? You look for a div tag, right? Say yes or no?
Yes.
Before making the div tag, you need to have body with the font name and background color. So go here, use body tag, background color. This is your first step. See, this is how you have to build. Okay, you should not build something different. By default, what is the basic fundamental you have to cover? Beat. And what is the next tag you have to use? Font
Family.
family. Vardhana. Now go back, refresh. It is not coming. Save. What happened? It's correct only. Is it correct? Oh, see, I removed E. That is the reason. Now you got the sheet. Now what is your next step? First, you need to create the header div. So how to build a header div? I'm going to use a div. Okay. There, I'm going to print a anchor tag. Let me take some phone numbers. Okay, so I'm going to use tell. I'm going to use a tell tag. Tell colon plus 770273511. Here you have sorry, tell href. Wait, let's go to any website. Wait, what website we will go? Sunada. Sunad will go. We'll go here. There is a tell tag. See this one. Now view page source. How they are built at the tell, we'll see. Page container. These are all WordPress. But we are not interested to WordPress. We have to build everything on our own. So let's go. Info Sunat. Now you see there is a tag. Okay, this is how you have to build. Okay, now come here. Let's take the tag href say tel. Okay, there you go and say anchor tag and say 77,027,35,111. Done. You see the anchor tag I used? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Now go
Yes,
back,
sir.
refresh. You see, it is calling application. This is how you can, if you are using this one in your mobile device, this pick will happen. Now I come with this. Now go back, close this, close this. Okay, make this div background color. So what you need to do, take a div, say id equal to top header. Okay, you are making this id as top header. Copy this top header class. What do you need to do? You need to use dot or hash when you are using a class.
H. H.
We need to use id. I'm using an
H.
id.
Hash,
Hash.
sir. Hash.
It should be hash. Okay, you should not say hash. Okay, you have to take hash. Now, background color. Background color. What we can give? Chocolate. Now refresh. You see, I got the chocolate. Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But the body has margin 0 and padding 0. So what you need to do, you simply say margin 0 pixel. Refresh, you see it is fit. Now come back to make the gap between this text. So what do you need to do? You have to use a padding, say 10 pixel. Now this is good. See, if I remove padding, what happened? You have to talk. Come on. If I remove padding, what will happen? Nothing is there. No space, nothing. You see, is there any spaces available? No. So I'm making padding as 10 pixel. When I refresh, it is coming good. Now, sir, the content should be in white color. So what I'm going to do?
Color white smoke.
Color
White smoke.
white smoke. Now refresh. It is not happening. Why? Because this is an anchor tag. So what do you need to do? Hash top header anchor. Copy this one. Right? Because it is comes under top header under anchor tag, right? So that is why it is creating a problem. Now you see. Now what do you need to do? Sir, I don't want this underline. So what do you need to do? If you
Text
don't want underline,
decoration, sir.
where I need to put? I have to put here or I have to put here? Think and tell me.
Top
Under
header.
anchor tag I have to
Anchor
put
tags.
or in the tab?
Top header and anchor tab.
Anchor tag. Super. Decoration.
None.
Now refresh. Super. Now you got it. When you click, it will be a pick. Right? Okay. I done this. Close this one. Now I got the anchor. Now here in the left side, I want to make Monday to Sunday time hours. So how to build that? How to build that? Here, I'm going to use a div. One second. Hello? Yes? Okay. What do you want? Not required. No, no, no. Thank you. Yes, yes. Sorry, guys. So here I'm going to say Monday to Sunday, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Okay. And I'm saying here ID timings. Okay. I given a grid as timings so that this anchor will be in left side. This div should be timing should be in right side. Now, how to do that? Let's go. Let's go and see here. Refresh. You see, this is coming like that, right? So this is not the way to build it. So what you need to do? You need to go here, say that hash timings display inline
Block.
block. Once you do that display inline block, it's supposed to come here. Now you got it. See the change. First, I
Yes.
made this in this color. Now what I'm going to do, text align will be right.
Right.
Now refresh. Why it is not happening? Now put a width 100%. Okay, fine, perfect. I got it. But there is a gap. Why? Why this gap is coming? What to do? Okay, I will do one thing. I will add a one more do for this. Say phone number. So that it will be easy, right? I put here phone number. Take the phone number, go to styles, hash phone number. I'm going to take only this one here, paste it. And this phone number, anchor, I want to do this. Now let go, refresh. It should work. Why? Why it is not working? Someone can tell me? I'd used the ID only, right? Let me put some kind of color like this. It is happening. But why it is not happening? Okay. Let's take this with 100%.
And
This display inline block should be added in the top header. अरे क्या हुआ? See, it is creating a problem. I do one thing. I remove entire stuff. Okay. Now go back, refresh. I got the content. Now go to my index.cshtml.
the display plex,
Emma?
display plex apply చేస్తా.
That's what I'm coming. Let me take top header. First, let me use display flex. Right? Now,
Justify content.
display background color chocolate. Perfect.
So justify
Adding.
content.
Wait. Text content justify. Right? Text and justify. No, always put text line is not required. I'll tell you why. Here I don't need.
The display flex justify content. Right.
Display.
Justify content.
No. See, let it be the flex.
Only
I'll tell you.
justify content.
Wait. I will tell you. Don't get hurry. Now, come here. Take this phone number. Make a width of 30%. Hash width 30%. Okay. Now go back. Refresh. You see there is a gap.
Yes,
You got the gap.
Yes, sir.
You have to do like this, and then you take the remaining 70% of the width of timing. Timings width equal to 70%. Now it has been fit with 100%.
Yes, sir.
Now what you can do here in the timing, text align right. Got it? Very simple. What you are doing, you are taking an index. First, you are taking the top header. In the top header, you are saying it will be a flex. Your background color will be chocolate. Now, sir, this one should be 30% of the particular fix. I will show you how to do that. In MS Paint, this is your top header, right? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
And then this is your timing. This is your phone number. And rest of the things will be your timings. This is how you're going to build. So what will happen? This will be your flex. Right? This flex will be width of 100%. Am I right? Say yes or no.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
This one will be your 30% and this one will be your 70%. That's how I did. Now, sir, I'm not seeing things properly. Let make the content will be padding and padding. So what you will do? You take padding of display top header, padding. I don't think it will be perfect. Let's see. 10 pixel. Make sense? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Everybody can say yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sumanna, Jayashree,
Yes,
Shravani.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? Now, what are you going to do after this? In the phone number, text decoration, none. Because you are using an anchor tag. Why it is not happening? Okay.
Sir, phone number, anchor tag.
And then I understand. Phone number, anchor tag, text decoration. Refresh, now it gone. Now color white.
White smoke.
Perfect. You finished that one, left side. Now come back to the right side. Timings. Timings. You simply say color white. Build it. Done. I think this is perfect. Everybody clear, ma? Any issues you are seeing here? Sumanna, Jayashree, Prem, Shravani. Hello.
No,
You have
sir.
to speak.
No,
Jai Krishna.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, now you got the stuff. Now what is the next step you have to do? You need to create another div saying that ID equal to main header, right? The same way you have to split. What you are going to split is div ID equal to company logo, right? And then ID equal to navigation menu. You are making a menu, right? So the main header should be 100% width with a different background color. So how are you going to do that? First, take the main header. Go to style sheet. You are done with this. And top header is there. Everything is there. Simply you go here. Main header. What is that? Flex. Display. Flex.
sir,
Sir,
main.
hash, sir. Hash main header.
Hash main header flex. Now refresh, it will not happen anything because I never set a background color. Now here, I'm going to say background. What color we can give? Linear gradient. Tell me your own color. Linear. If I go, I will go with this chocolate and all those things. So 45 degree. Let us have a brown, right? Chocolate brown. Chocolate hyphen brown hyphen chocolate. Now go and see, refresh. Why it is not applying? Because we never added any content. Now, before that, first let me take a logo of any company. What is a company logo? Okay. Now I take this. I take this one. Save image. Save images. Where to go and save HTML examples? No. HTML project. Create a folder. Images. Paste. I say here logo. I got the logo. Now go back. In the index.html, I say here I put img src is equal to images.logo.png alt equal to logo. I'm putting this. And if I need to have a one more text. What is text? Text stars and what is the property? I forget. Title. Title. ITS. Technologies. Okay. Now go back, refresh. You see, you got the stage. It's strange, right? Say yes or no. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Prem, Shravani. Now,
Yes, sir.
Shravani, I want. Hey, Prem, whom you are talking? Now, you need to use company logo, styles, hash logo, img tag. Because under company logo, img tag, I have to set a height. Say 100 pixel. Now, refresh. Let make it as 80 pixel. Let make it as 50 pixel. Cool. This is okay. But sir, I need to provide a company logo padding. Company logo padding 10 pixel. This is good. Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
But the image should be text align center. Image should be text align center. Okay, fine. Leave it. Now, go in this index, create a nav bar. Nav, I say anchor href equal to hash home. Okay. Paste, 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 paste. I say here full stack web. I say here full stack Java. I stay here full stack .NET. Right? I created all the stuff. Now I'm going to create contact us. Right? Now go back, refresh. You got everything, but not properly aligned. Now what you need to do? You have to go styles. First apply the stylus.
Navigation menu.
What do you need to do?
Hash, sir, hash.
Padding. Because padding pixel 10 pixel will give out to give, right? 10 pixel. Refresh. And then text align center. But it's not a coming. Okay, I'll do that later point of time. Now navigation menu I got. And you have to put height also. Because we already given a height, right? That is why the navigation menu is not coming properly. What you can do here, you put an height saying that 50 pixel, what will happen? We'll see. The same height you are going to use here. This email logo we can remove. Display inline block. This one I can tell ma. Padding I will increase 30 pixel. What? I can increase 20 pixel. Okay, let it be. Now what you need to do? This anchor, you need to make white color and underscore should be removed, right? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
So what you will do?
Color.
Color.
White smoke.
Super. Then
Text decoration. Yeah.
okay. Done. You got everything. And here you have to say text align. Let give center. Wider. Okay, put width and 10 and 70%. Why this is not happening? Okay, you have to make display flex here. On the main enter, you are already having a display flex and color you given. Here you have to say company logo width equal to 30%. Yeah. That is the reason you make 20%. This is okay? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
This image I can do. Some issues happening. This height also you can remove. Now this is good. Because of the height you got it. This, if you can remove, what will happen? If I remove, what will happen? Okay. Paste. Let it be. So that you can see good. Done. Now this is done. This is done. Padding also comes in and it will be somewhat underlined. And then here you need to use padding 10 pixel. I'll tell you why I am doing. Some gap you need, right? So that is why I'm putting a padding. Now, when I hover, I need to get this color, chocolate color. Okay. So how to do that? Navigation. Say please.
Navigation, anchor, hover.
Now what color you have to do?
Chop.
background color chocolate. Right? You see here? Okay,
Yes,
I will
sir.
do one thing. Make it as blue. Looks good? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But sir, I don't want the border should be none. No, what I can do here, display inline block. Somewhat perfect. And then I can put padding auto. Super, right? Now what to do? Sir, border radius I can put 10 pixel. Now see the border. This is good. It's kind of a box you are able to see. Say yes or no, ma.
Yes,
Jai
sir.
Samana Prem.
So,
Yes, sir.
Shravani. Shravani, why you are not speaking? Any problem? Shravani? Shravani, are you there?
yes,
Why you are not speaking? Any
sir,
problem?
in village, sir.
You have to speak.
I'm going to my village, sir, so that's why I'm not speaking.
Okay. Once you've done this, now what you need to do? You need to build the page. Now you see you have phone number, you have timings, you have logo, you have menu, everything is done. To take any website, anybody's website, this is how they will build. Let's see. Now you see, they have phone numbers, they have menus. Am I right? And they have logo. The same thing we constructed here. Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So any website you take, this is the basic criteria to build. Now this is done. Now what are we going to do? We are going to bring this info, right? This info you need to build like this. And then this side you need to create an inquiry form. How to do that? Let's see. Take, go to index, create another flex. Now my top header is completed. My main header is completed. Now what is the next? View ID equal to header content. Anything you need to have header content. Okay. Now I'm going to create left side. I'm going to talk about the company. Right side, I'm going to create an inquiry form. So how I'm going to do? Div. Here I'm going to say about company. About company. And then here I'm going to say div ID equal to inquiry form. Right? First, what I'm going to do, take the header content, make this as a flex. Hash header content. How to become a flex? Display flux. Clear? Now first go here. So do I need to use the same menu color or do I need to change some color? So let's do that. Flex will be black color. Header content will be a black, dark black. Okay. Now what you are going to do, make background color black. I'll tell you why I'm making the background color as black. Now here I need to add text here about company hash. Let's scroll down, hash about company. I will say width equal to 65%. First, I'm going to fix the width. Okay, ma? And then about enquiry, right? Enquiry form. I'm going to say width equal to 35%. 35%. Now I fixed with my display flex. Now go back, refresh, nothing will happen. You never added a content. Let's take a content. Before taking the content, you do one thing, go back here, add here H1 tag. IT technology. Now go back, you see, you have a content, but it will not able to show you, right? So what do you need to do? What do you need to do? You make this H1 under this about company, this make this H1 color equal to white. So what you will do? You take this one
Company H1
hash about company H1, say color white smoke. Refresh. You see? Got it or not? Say yes or no.
Yes.
Sir, this color is not that much good. Let's do some kind of mix-up. How to do the mix-up? Instead here, put a linear gradient, 45-degree, comma, black, comma, gray, comma, black. Somewhat good, right? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes.
here I'm going to say text align center. Beautiful. Right? Now, beautifully, I got it. Now, I want to make a content inside that as a paragraph. So, how to build a paragraph tag? Here, I'm going to create a paragraph tag. Go to get some content about it. Where to get it? Task. Info. I take this info for time being. Copy, paste. You see, Content is added or not? Say yes or no.
Yes,
Come on,
sir.
guys. You have to say yes or no. But sir, this content is not white color. So how to make this as white? Go to style. What you will do? Copy the same thing. Instead of H1, use paragraph, text align, justify. Perfect, ma? Come on, you have to tell me. Is it correct or wrong?
Yes, sir.
But again, sir, I don't see a challenge of having this much width. Let's make it as 60-40. Somewhat good. Now I got the content. So I got a phone number, I got a number, I got everything, I got it. Perfectly fit. Now right side, I want to create an enquiry form as a div. So how to create an enquiry form? First, what you need to do? What is your enquiry form with this? Now here, box shadow. First you need to do height auto. Okay. Now go here. Here you have to say div. Say H2 enquiry form. Listen carefully. I'm going to build the enquiry form. Now you got the enquiry form here. Say yes or no. You got the enquiry form? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
what
sir.
you need to do? You need to make this enquiry form should be covered under a div. So what are you going to do? This div enquiry box. To say enquiry box. I'm telling this enquiry box will be 80%. Hash, take that enquiry box, style, hash, hey, what happened? Hash, enquiry box, width equal to 80%, text align, center, background color, I can say chocolate. I'll tell you why I'm putting chocolate. Now go back, refresh, you got that, okay, you got it in center. But why this enquiry box doesn't have a background color? Go here. Enquiry box should has a background color, right?
The div
Hmm?
is spelling mistake div.
Chocolate correct gaane undi.
In a state. Sir, HTML is spelling mistake in HTML file.
Hmm? Where?
Div. Div.
Correct only.
The div tag.
Okay. Thank you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm extremely sorry. Now here, about company, about enquiry where, here you have to say align content center. Oh, align item center. Okay. Why it is not happening? Okay, I will do one thing. I will make display as flex. Okay. Then I can give text
The flex box for it.
why it is not happening.
Display only flex.
Display only flex.
Flex box.
See, this is how it is coming. If you put flex box, it will happen like this. This is good only. I'm not saying anything wrong. Okay. But it should be comes under center line. That is what I'm looking for. Align axis of current align. Okay. So align item center. Why it is not happening? Okay, I'll do this one tomorrow, Monday. Okay. Don't worry. Let it be the enquiry form. We will change that one Monday. Why it is not happening? Now you can add. You can make the border radius 10 pixel. Then you make padding of about company enquiry box, enquiry form, so that there should be some gap. Padding, say 10 pixel. Now you see, there is a gap. Now this box should be a box shadow. What box shadow can we give? Can we give red color? Say yes or no.
Sir.
Box shadow 10 pixel, 10 pixel, 10 pixel red. This is okay. This is okay, ma?
Okay.
Yes,
Sir.
Yes, sir.
but here, instead of background color, you try to give the header one. That's the best option. The one which you given here, right? Where is that? This one you can give. So that an enquiry form become more beautiful. Once you've done that, see, somewhat it is good. Compared to the earlier enquiry form, this enquiry form is good. This only the center align is not working. We'll work it out. Now, what you need to do? You say create a div. Say input type text name attribute equal to enter, then simply say placeholder, enter the name. Done? Now go back. You got it? Enter the name. Say yes or no.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
You got the inquiry form. Now, copy the same, paste, save phone number. Okay. Not required, just say number. And here you say enter the phone
Number.
number.
Phone number.
Right? Deal. Now take one more. Spelling wrong number. Here you have to say email. Enter the email ID. This is the 3 things you are going to collect, right? In any inquiry. And then
Enter the email.
enter the name, phone number, email ID. Now what you will do last? You will create a submit. Here, instead of inquiry form, make an inquiry. This is the best way to tell the user, right? Now, what to do here? You will have div input type equal to submit. Okay. Input type submit. Value equal to submit. Now refresh. You got everything. Sir, I want to give a space between these two and make this text box more perfect. So how to implement each and every text box? Let's go here. Under inquiry, under div, under input. I'm taking all these 3. I'm going to try to implement some width height of all those things. So copy, go to style, hash inquiry, div, input, width equal to 90%. First question, I'm going to make my width as 90%. Now you got it?
Yes, sir.
Then you can make 80%, that will be good. Somewhat it is good. Now, sir, padding 10 pixels. Clear? You got the padding?
Yes, sir.
But sir, padding should not come here. Take this.
Margin.
No. I'll tell you. Hash inquiry. Correct. Inquiry box div. You put padding here, what will happen? This is good, right? See, you got the padding. Here you have to say height 20 pixels. Make it as 30 pixels. This is somewhat good. And then border 5 pixel solid gray. Now you see earlier difference, now difference. If I remove this border, you see the difference. This is somewhat awkward. right? Now if I not gray, let me put something different, saying that red. Solid
It's
border.
already spelling mistake.
Okay, sorry, accepted. 2 pixel. Now it is okay. Somewhat it is okay. But sir, I want a border radius. Border, because I don't want to see the inquiry form in a different way. So border radius, I say 5 pixel. Make it as 10 pixel. You can sense it. This is okay. Now tell me, will you able to make an inquiry?
Yes.
Prem, Sumana, Jayshree,
Yes, sir.
how was it?
Good,
Prem,
sir.
you have to say. Prem, you are in mute. So in the button, I am planning to give a background. What is my background? Can I give a red or brown? This background color. Or what I can do, I can give a dark blue. So I am going to use input type of button. Button I can't take. So what I will do, ID equal to button I can give. ID equal to button. Okay. Now go here, copying entire stuff. Simply say here button. Okay. I'll simply say background color blue. I don't think it will apply. Yes. Why? Because I have to specifically say hash button because it is only one button. Okay, ma? Color white smoke. Now tell me, this is good or bad. You have to tell me whether it is good or bad. That's all you can do today. Jayashree, Sumana, Prem,
Good.
how was it? Sir, I need a padding because I am seeing there is a lot of gap here. So let me increase the padding of inquiry box. So where is that? Yeah, in the inquiry form, you can increase the padding as 20 pixels. And margin you only need to put. If you make margin, what will happen? This gap will be created. So no need to use a margin. Now use it. And for this inquiry form alone, you can take a margin. Where is that inquiry box? You can put margin here. Margin top 10 pixel extra. I'm saying, boss, I want a margin on top 10 pixel extra. How was it? Box is
Sir,
good.
if I put margin left,
Amma?
margin left.
That is not the right practice, ma. But still we can give. That is not a right practice because it has to go with the align. See, this is not the right practice. It has to align based on the align statement. Tomorrow, if you want to display this in any mobile device, you see, I go use an inspect element. When you click on a mobile, you see, This is not good. You understand, right? Because go and see the iPhone. Is it a good way? Say yes or no. If you take a Samsung Galaxy, see, this is not good. It should come down and this should be displayed. So I need to work some, what I say, media query on this particular site. So if we use margin in every places, that is not a good practice. So I'm not interested to put margin here. It all taken care based on the alignment. Margin left, right, always you should not use. Only top, bottom you can use. Okay, when you are building site. Now, how is it? Somewhat as a website, you can see, right? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Build this. The rest of the thing will do it on Monday or tomorrow. I'll confirm you. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Build and send me.